and welcome to another episode of Quality Time with Clive. We're taking a look now at the MIDI Capture feature, which is in Scalar 2. And right now I have a sequence right here. Let's listen to it. Let's say that you liked that idea, but you didn't want to use the instruments in Scalar. What could we do? Also, let's say that you wanted to use your own arpeggiation ideas and perhaps your own stochastic or aleatoric elements in, let's say, if you're using Ableton, to use maybe some ideas of Max for Live as well and some manipulations of the MIDI. What could we do? We're going to take a look at how to use the MIDI Capture feature. So, I'm going to go ahead and select MIDI Capture. And let's go ahead and play our little chord progression. All right, that's all we need. Let's go ahead and hit stop. And you notice we can actually drag this idea in now. So let's drag it into a secondary MIDI track right here. And if I double click on it, let's close down Podolsky right here, you can see I have the MIDI data right here and it recorded into the 9th measure. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure it's only 8 measures long. And let's go ahead and duplicate it over to the next MIDI track as well. Let's go ahead and listen to this guy just by himself. So what do we have? Nice, and let's add in the second idea. So we're using synthesizers that are not in the Scalar patch list. Let's go ahead and take the piano idea again here. Let's go ahead and create a new MIDI track, and let's put in a piano patch here. I'll be right back with you in just a second while I call this up. All right, I've called up a piano patch. Let's go ahead and listen to it. All right, so let's go ahead and maybe use some of the MIDI effects here. I can use the arpeggiation feature in Ableton, or whatever DAW that you're using, to create some of these effects. So let's go ahead and just use the Bach 16th notes, and here we go. And now we can go ahead and arpeggiate that or change the notes around any way we see fit. So let's go ahead and listen to all these together. Here we go. So, Scalar is used as a tool to create ideas, move those tools out of Scalar, and then boom, you're on your own in your own workshop doing whatever it is that you need to do to produce your music and to make the edits and arrangements and variations that you need. So, a great little tool that MIDI Capture and Drag feature. Go ahead and use it. It's a lot of fun. So long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, adieu, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.